Hi everybody, it's Amy. So as part of my townhouse remodel, redecorate, whatever series, where I use absolutely no money and only the items that I have at hand, this corner is a dead corner in the space. It was actually just all the things were being piled up from one side of the townhouse when I was cleaning it and painting it and got put over here in this dead corner. So I have this cabinet right here, and I do have my flash on, so you might see some, I just dusted, you might see that come through. But what I've decided to do, and that had a wreath on it, I am going to make that corner, I just actually dusted off this shelf. It was a dumpster dive find, and as you can see, I have not started painting. Here's where the gray ended. I need to paint this wall. I wanted to see what I wanted to keep and what I wanted to get rid of out of this space. So I had to do that first. What I'm going to do in this corner is make it a doggy corner, only using the items, again, that I have in the house, not spending any money whatsoever. I have the paint left over, so I'm going to continue to do that. That's where I have my magazines normally, and this is just a door for Christmas storage. So it's not anything but Christmas storage, so I only need to get into it twice a year. Once to put the Christmas stuff out, once to put it away. And to be honest, this year, I think I'm going to go very minimal. Might not even open that closet. Stay tuned for that. But I cleaned off the top of this Pier 1 hutch that I got years ago. It's so super heavy. And I used my Easter bunnies and just turned them around. So, yeah, just repurpose and reuse what you have. Nothing super exciting, but let's see what I can do with what I have and this random dark hole and nasty needs to be painted space. Thanks, guys. Hold on. Okay, guys, so a lot of you asked me how I paint so quickly. Number one, I don't tape the floor. I don't put down drop cloth. Swiffer Wet Jet takes everything off the floor. You just got to do it pretty quickly. And then I just have this, let me get it, paint on it. Put the paint thing up against the wall. There we go. I have this extension and this pad. And a lot of people were shocked I could get so much done so quickly. This thing is everything. I mean, it cuts down the painting time like in half, no joke. And you don't have to use a ladder. Makes it super simple. I got it at Walmart a while ago. It was in one of my videos. So I had it, and the way I've been keeping the cost down is I just put this pad in water in a Ziploc bag, and that way it doesn't dry out, and then I can just keep reusing it. So I don't have to buy any new painting pads. But yeah, look at the difference already. Just in 2 minutes of painting. Look at the difference. All right, guys, let me get to work. Alright guys, so I'm done. I'm going to show you this first with the flash off, just so you can see the lights. And then what I will do is turn the flash on, and you'll be able to see things a little bit more in detail. So I absolutely did not purchase anything. I didn't leave my house all day. I just did this. It didn't take long, like an hour. It was super quick. So that was really cool. If you haven't watched my series 1, 2, and 3 of this, some of these items were in those videos that I took from another spot and replaced things in that spot. So the example of that are these glass mason jars that I got at Dollar Tree. And I had those on the opposite wall with these wooden boxes that I had gotten in the dollar spot at Target. So I just put a couple over here just to add some light. I think they look pretty cool. It filled in the gap between the TV and the magazine rack. Now, yes, this is the dog corner, but this is truly the only place I have to put my magazines, so I had to leave them here. This is the collar to one of my dogs that has passed away, so I finally have like a home for it, which I really appreciate. This, as you saw in the video, was already here. It's just a pegboard that I had gotten a while ago. It was in a video, and so I had a couple Dollar Tree leashes, and I haven't used them yet, but they were in a video like 4 months ago. I don't even know. My memory's so bad, but they were a while ago. So I hung those up, and once the leashes that I'm using over by the door kind of wear out, I'll start using these, and I thought this would be a perfect place to hang them so I don't lose them. And then you saw the magazine rack. I've had that for 15 years. It was in my salon, so it just really works well for the magazines. I went through all my magazines and decluttered everything, put them up in the upstairs bookcase. That's what I do when I want to recycle through and put the new ones up. So I hung these just with the little clips from Dollar Tree that I had a whole bunch of. The twine is from Dollar Tree. And yeah, just pretty simple. It's just that coat of paint makes such a difference. And what I really like about this area is I can also put the dog crate here if I prefer to do that. It will fit perfectly. I don't have the door in the dog crate, but sometimes the dogs just like to go in there and chill. They have a bed in there as well. So I can interchange this out and put the dog crate there. Or if I was to have to leave the house for an extended period of time, not for any reason other than I have one dog that gets kind of anxiety when I leave. So I could put that there and she could be safe and sound. She loves her crate. I think the big thing with crates, just my opinion, with dogs is to never put them in there when they're bad. I just let them go in and out when they want to, and then they're comfortable, and then it doesn't seem like a punishment if, gosh forbid, I have to put them in. So I had this netting in my daughter's room a while ago, and I actually put it in a pile for a tag sale. So I got it at Five Below. It was $5, and that was a long time ago. My daughter and I did a video on this channel. We went to the mall, and Five Below was right next to it, and you guys know I don't go to the mall that often, so it was a while ago. And it was in the tag sale pile, and I was like, you know what? Let me just pull it out, add a little bit of softness over here in this corner, and that's it, guys. I think I covered everything. If I didn't, I'm sorry. Add a little light over here. I think it makes a difference. It looks much cleaner, much softer, so that's pretty cool. And then I also just put their jar of dog treats right here. I do have a little black corner table that I may put in this corner right here and put the dog treats on top of it. I'm not really sure. As with everything in the Townhouse Makeover, I'm just kind of getting everything cleaned up, the basics put in, and then I'll just make adjustments as I go along. So thank you guys so much for watching. Look at, I still have to paint this side. Wish me luck. Okay, sorry guys. I said that I would show you it with the light on the camera on, and I apologize. I forgot to do that. So as I was about to upload it, I realized. So this is what it looks like. It looks much better with the light on. I should have just did that to begin with. But I'm not a professional remodel, redecorator. I'm just doing my thing. So, you know, I'm not like the best at the camera lighting. You guys know that if you've been watching my videos. But yeah, guys, this is what it looks like. Oh my God, it looks so much better in the light. I should have did this. All right, everybody. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.